It's me, Kinghuman. Can you really make money using a couple of simple iPhone or Android apps? I don't know. The whole thing's a big mystery. Maybe I'll tell you, and maybe I won't. Mystery! You're gonna have to watch this video. Shut up, don't bug me. Okay, here's what's doing. There is a killer way to make a lot of money online with physical goods. This is like e-commerce. But there's an app that you need, and you're gonna need a little bit of knowledge that I'm gonna give you right now. And this is really workable, and it can make you big bank if you put a little energy into it. What am I talking about? Well, there's an app out there called BookScouter. Download it from the App Store. And what it does is you can use your iPhone to scan the barcode on books and find out what the value of that book is on the secondary market. Now, believe it or not, there are a lot of places to sell books on the secondary market. And there are a lot of places like these apps that will buy your books. Now, you may not think books are a big deal, but they are. I know guys making big bank with this. And I'm going to give you the secret. The secret is textbooks are big bucks in the secondary market. You can find textbooks, trust me. I mean, you know, using this app and with a little know-how, you can make bank. Here's how. In your local town, place ads on Craigslist. I buy textbooks. People will contact you and say, I have used textbooks from, you know, this college or that college, this course, that course, whatever. Tell them to send you a picture of the front and the back of the book. You don't have to run around town chasing these books down. Tell them to send you a picture and you will get back to them with a price quote. They send you a picture of the back of the book. You can scan that picture and you can scan the barcode off of a picture that they send you, and this thing will tell you how much you can get for that book. Now with that knowledge, you know how much you can buy that book for. It's not rocket surgery, people. This is very simple, very easy. There's another app you can use, and it's the Amazon Seller app. If you are signed up as a reseller on Amazon, there's an app, and you can go into any store and zap the barcode of any product and find out what it's selling for on Amazon right now. I did a video on that back in the day. Go check that out. My Amazon Seller app no longer works because I never sold shit on Amazon. So they said, hey, you're not selling shit. We're dropping your Amazon Seller account. Fine, what do I care? But you guys can do it. It's not rocket surgery. I want you to remember this. Everything you ever wanted in life, all the success that you want in life lies on the opposite side of your fears and inaction. Take action, do something, put some effort into your own life, and you'll prosper. But don't just sit there eating Cheetos and scratching your balls and thinking your life will change. You have to put effort into it. Booyakasha. That's me. This is gold. Now go do something and become a success. Oh, by the way, donate blood. Donate your organs. And help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. What could be better, right? Go away, you bother me. You got homework to do. Go do your homework. Don't be bugging me.